Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Mile High Stocks. In today's video, we will be discussing my top stock picks for tomorrow, March 2nd, 2021. But before we get started, please go hit the subscribe and like buttons and be sure to turn on notifications. The first stock we are going to be looking at today is Zoom Communications. It closed on the day at just under $410 per share, but it absolutely destroyed earnings, which rocketed the price all the way up to around $444 per share. Wall Street had an estimated expectations of Zoom's earnings at 51 cents per share, and they ended up destroying those earnings, tallying $1.22 per share on their earnings. That is over a 100% increase, or they beat earnings by over 100%. So I am absolutely looking at Zoom for possible day trades because there is going to be a lot of volatility going into the next couple days on Zoom. This thing has the possibility to rip all the way up to 450, maybe even 475, making it great for opening range breakouts at market open on 1 minute and 5 minute charts. The next stock we are going to discuss is Antero Resources. That is the bottom chart here. I currently have two ascending trend lines drawn. You have a more gradual ascending trend line from April 2020, but since December 2020, we've had a sharp increase in the stock's value, creating a new trend line. And so far, it has bounced off this trend line several times. And I have also marked out previous resistance points at $10.07 and $11.03, and then again just under $17. I am bullish on this stock because I am looking for this stock to break through the resistance point, because technically when you have an ascending trend line and a resistance level, that is an ascending triangle. So I am looking at this to break out of the ascending triangle to $12 and $14 in the next several days or several weeks. It will be interesting to see where I have it, where it ends up tomorrow. If I do decide to get in on this trade, I will be doing a stop loss below the trend line. The third stock I want to discuss is AMRN, or AMRN Corporation, in the top right hand corner of my screen. As you can see here, we have a clear ascending trend line, and this stock is almost ready to bounce off this trend line. So I want to see if it continues to drop tomorrow, and I'm looking for an entry point off the trend line with a stop loss below the trend line. And the fourth stock I am looking at is Vistra Energy in the top left hand corner here. There is clear support at 17, right around $17. So I'm not as bullish on this stock, but I'm keeping it on my watch list for the next week. That is all. Let me know what you think about my selections in the comments below, and I will see you again in the next video.